Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to teach you how to repost a reel or a video or a picture on Instagram. So first we're going to click Instagram, and this is my profile. And then we're going to go over to home so we can share something. Okay, so we're going to share this. We're going to click the little icon that looks like an airplane. And then we're going to add to story. And then you click add to your story. Share the story, and now it's on your story. That's how you repost. If this video helped you in any way, please like and subscribe. Also remember, it only stays on your story for 24 hours. After that, it's gone. So thank you for watching. If this video helped you in any way, please like and subscribe.